Hey guys, hope you're doing well today. Just thought I'd jump on here and just I wanted to. I've been thinking about this quite a lot recently because I'm going through a bit of a change at the moment in my life. I feel like I'm entering a new phase of my life, and for the first time as an adult, really, I actually feel happy, content, and fulfilled. I'm not exactly where I want to be, but things are certainly. Mentally are on the right track, and I wanted just to share this with you and just to see what's working, just show you what's working for me at the moment, in case you're sat there and things are not going as planned, or you're just feeling a bit lost, or just generally down, or feeling restless and not sure what to do with your life, especially because I think at this stage now in your 50s or so, this is where it's sort of you get to a crossroads. You think, well, what's next? What's the next stage going to look like? You start thinking about getting older and stuff, and that can play on your mind, and with this time pressure that we all start to feel now. And I just thought I'd share with you today just sort of what I call three S's that I've been working and focusing on over the last sort of 12 months really, and that are working for me. And I say I'm in a much better place than I've been in a long time. So the first one is surrender. And what I mean by that is I just stop trying as hard. I'm still trying, I've still got big goals, I still want to achieve lots of things, but I just took that pressure off myself. I just took this constant sort of need to be doing something, to always be doing something, to try, because it just constant all the time, and just constantly berating myself if I didn't do this, I didn't do that, and I've been doing that for years, and it's got me nowhere. And I just thought, what the fuck am I doing this for? So I just thought, fuck it, I'm done. I know where I'm going. I know what I need to do to get there. But for now, I'm just going to enjoy it, the moment, and just say, fuck it. Whatever happens, happens. And enjoy the moment. I'm just tired of living in the past, looking back and going, oh God, I should have done this, should have done that. And also looking for, oh my God, what's happening, and all the fear and anxiety that brings. And I just went, no, fuck this, I've had enough. I've had enough. And I just surrendered completely. Not to say that I've quit or given up. Far from it. I'm actually just feel like I'm just getting started. I think this is a real new chapter, and I'm really excited about the next phase of my life. But at the same time, I've just said, what will be, and just take the pressure off myself. And I think it's just mentally freed me up and allowed me to be more creative, more relaxed, and just go with the flow a bit more, and accept that, knowing that I'm going to get there. I think that's the key, is to have this sort of knowingness, that word, but that I'm going to be all right. I'm going to be all right. Things are going to work out, and that's not being like positive Pete Pollyanna. I just know something's clicked in my head, and I just know that things are going to be all right if I just keep moving forward, going with the flow, taking the right action when it comes and when it needs to, but always one eye on the future, but most of it firmly in the present, enjoying the moment now, because that's all we've got at the end of the day. So surrendering, that's really helping me at the moment. The next one is simplification. It's just simplifying my life. I just cut out old unnecessary stuff and just focus on the stuff that really that gives me joy, and actually just simplified everything down. So and this is why I love fitness. This is why I promote fitness on this channel, because when you get into the fitness lifestyle, everything else doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Honestly, everything just stops being of training, good nutrition, looking after your body, getting out in nature. They're the things that give me, that just fill me up at the moment. All the rest of it's crap. It's crap. Focusing on my family, being a good role model to my family, being responsible to my family. Just simplify. That's what I'm doing. That's all I'm doing. There's nothing else matters. So I've all the FOMO's gone, all the fear of missing out. And I'll do all that when the time's right. But at the moment, it's just about simplifying, and just appreciating the small things in life, because I think that's where the real joy comes in. I mean, look at this today. I mean, look at this, it's fantastic. I love these autumn mornings. And if I, if I hadn't gone to bed reasonably early last night, just, I wouldn't have got up and enjoyed this today. I'd have missed it. So I think simplification. I think if you look at what you're doing at the moment, and if your life's complex, complicated, loads of shit going on, look at it and say, do I need to be doing all this? Am I just running around with my head up my arse, trying to sort of please everybody, or just trying to do too much? Always on the go. Must do this, must fill this time, we must have experiences. And I think, no, not anymore. Simplification, I'll tell you, that's another one. I think, and if you look, I see you see these nostalgia posts online, where people talk about the 80s and 90s, and all you see is comments about people go, I just want to go back. I want to go back to that simpler life. Well, you can do. It's there for you. It's up to you. You just cut out the crap and think about what you used to do in them times, and just go with it. Go back to that era. Why not? It's easy. I mean, so the okay, and now the third one, I had a brain went, and I couldn't think, is service. And what I mean by that is getting involved in something that's not about you. This is what this channel is all about. It's not about me. It's about connecting with other people and trying to sort of give out what bits of advice that I know, or reflection on what's working for me, to help other people. If one person watches one of my videos and takes action, positive action in life, to me, that's my job done. And this video channel, I'm going to go more into depth in this, because it's been a revelation to me, absolute revelation. Because I'm doing something that it's not about me, it's not about me. And I think we all humans need that service in our life. So I don't think you need to go and set up a YouTube channel to get that. You could do more for other people, whether that's through charity, whether it's in your community, whether it's just through your family or at work or anything. I think just getting involved in something that's just not about you, I think that fills you up so much more than just always focusing on yourself. And that for me is this. I say with this channel, I just can't believe the impact that it's had on me. Because I'm by nature, I'm an introvert. I'm quite a shy person and very private. So it's been a big thing asked for me to get on and do this. And I was scared of what people say, what people think. Even though you get to that age where people, I don't give a fuck anymore. You still do. I don't care how old you are. You still give a fuck. You just deal with it better. But I love it. I love it. I love coming and making these videos. I just want to make better videos now. I want to give better, information out there. I want to do as best as I can and interact with all you guys. And that's honestly, it's filling me up every day. When I get a comment or a like or stuff, honestly, the gratitude I have, I can't tell you. And I think as humans, we need that. We need to be doing something for our fellow man, whatever format that is. Just that level of just being kind and being of service. I think it's really important. So that's it. I just wanted to share this with you today. Hope it's helped, as always. So that's why I'm here. I hope it's helped. Please, let me know in the comments below if what's working for you in your life at the moment, or what's not working for you at the moment. Love to hear from you. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like, share, all that lovely stuff. Really helps me out, and I really appreciate it. Okay guys, be well, and I'll see you in the next one.